Welcome to our digital expansion. We are a safe space for women of color to be heard, healed, and empowered. Take your dreams, your business, and career to the next level by being a part of a community with professional and entrepreneurial women. Empower yourself and others, both in a safe and positive environment, giving you access to online events, in-person events, mentorship, tools and resources, industry experts, VIP coaching, a library of trainings, and peer support. We have real conversations about family and relationships, finance, health and wellness, business, mental wellness, and career opportunities. Join the movement today for support, growth, transparency, and camaraderie. Learn more at sisterhooduniversity.com.